Lumaba Sports and Cultural Club on Saturday felicitated its under-20 football team for successfully advancing from the 4th to the 3rd division in the Shillong Sports Association's under-20 league. The event was organized to honor the players and coaches for their achievement, which has brought pride to the club and the community. The felicitation program witnessed the presence of Meghalaya Football Association President and advisor to the Chief Minister Hamlet Sandoling, Shillong Sports Association Vice President and Nongse Sports Club President Daniel Thankeo, along with Lomauba headman E. Thankeo, club officials, players and local residents. Speaking on the occasion, Hamlet Dolling lauded the efforts of the young players and the club's management for their commitment and hard work, describing the promotion as a major milestone despite the team's semi-final exit. He also handed over cash incentives, tracksuits and other gifts to the players and coaches as a token of appreciation for their achievement.
Rafil Man Khandayor, Totes Kemshan Pru, Dawan Lang Thaba, Jefferson Homestead.
Lameliagni Karpurian yak National Games Hangni Pop Jalagni. Dar ki khna samajni yo yak medal pok national level tomau kadang ke polisi jung sarkar bamenta pin yo kam sarkar. Kita kali ka way ni polisi ke bakal sarkar ka thau nam da ban pensiun. Ikhna samajni bagi min sakmat hagi bedai bat sports. Selabi lang interest ke kadang disiplin social media Nurgamensim, Preston, Minat, Sacrifice. But if you don't the tongue, but the Bainong today, the John Ping, Tuki Prias. Tum Kilok Shong Shnong, Nepor, is also Kumene. We got love by the Kundu Kumne, but Kumbal Kramane, but Daniel, the Mafini, Ski Mata, Ski, give a Ski, give a Jumchap, Ski, give up Tanda Dix News Suda. Katchaya, Tanda Dix News Suda. Kadang kajing keren hati yang kisah mata. Kat kadi kajing ya nilai kuno. Kudroks keren moros kata ada. Kadai. Kesarkar kapsa kepala bantelakam. Kepolis department INPF kapsa bantelakam banten yang jenis. Orang yang drop support kejelah kajing. Repisuhi. Weibo brebo bless new nanilang tayo ulat. Kaya yung bangpa parang pikolong ba naran banjat yaw ko likolong. Ilan kam kejadi trash lang jadi tom nak Shillong ini. Lalu trash tu yang ni, yang sem, Shillong kau, di sembalang, di balang kesakar kemudian dirlak berkerja jauh juga bukan hanya ke enam salang kesini. Kata kebangan kuat ban kisah berarti hati belum kuat.
In his address, Daniel Thankeo congratulated the sports club and encouraged the club to continue its progress, expressing hope that it would rise further through the divisions. The Lomauba headman also commended the players for their discipline and dedication, which he said had brought honor to the locality. The program concluded with expressions of encouragement from the community, reinforcing the club's determination to aim for greater success in future tournaments.
Sunat bagi kami kipa bagi kod di poin ado sepuluh stay kemudian dikemuan sepuluh indoor stadium. Ni yang dia potong saya ni takut yang ke football ado kadwe berjalan ni. Kat mendemi member sport club, member yang dua Shillong, member yang BDP poin kadwe stay kerau berje kerja. Hari ini kami sendiri buat kami for berje arwaje lai berje mesti. Tinggi hapat kum ke melang salang kum ke beliau ke belah kambang kejemut berkat dengan hapat banyak pet. Banyak tentu lampat di kimi kepa nabar minum lah bani kedai tangki kimi kepa ni ban senang di kon ban pet banyak yang kapor mi porwan bejongki namar kini kiwai pan kimdei ban influence pat ini kena di banyak kai pan kalau mau mata kedai ke under 20 banyak kai kerta ke kini kena kadang di ban kiu cha kiwai pan di benta bagi lak ban pentela pat dia banyak kai tunggu lak ban kamai jak por ban besahi yang sem menyerap lang andai ini kiwai pat kiwa nikwa banyak yang tak kelenting nah ban pet ban besar ban banyak trailang pembesar nong se lemo ba bangin la ban rat ni khong ni pat kibrio ki bangkwa banyak dan mentah kam di bawah